We are going car shopping! Good morning, guys. So it's been like a couple days later since I've talked to y'all. So we're just gonna go out and about. I think I may go look for a new whip. As you guys know, I have a car currently, but that car is just to save money so I could go to work. Because like I mentioned, if you guys don't know, my job is like an hour away from where I live. So it's very cost efficient with gas. So it's pretty good on gas. But I still want a car. I still want a fancy looking car. What's wrong, Prince? Close the door. Do you know where it is?
Oh yeah.
No, don't take off your shoes. I can get it for you. Is it in your bedroom in the drawer? Okay. Be right back. So let me just put this back in my bag. I'll bring it for you. I'll bring it for you. So you can go. I'll bring it for you, okay? So I still need to go upstairs and get a couple of things. Need to get my other phone. Need to get Prince's lip balm. And something else. Can't remember. Shoot. Second phone, Prince's lip balm. I think that's it. So it's a very good week. It was hot all week. Not complaining. Thank you, Jesus. We deserve weather like this because we get more winter than we do summer. Looking for the phone. Okay, so I got the phone. Whew, got the lip gloss. I am out of breath. So we're gonna go on the road. Zai is over at a friend's house. You know, kids, you know, preteens and teenagers, they rather go out, spend time with their friends than they would with their younger siblings or their parents. Okay, so I'm gonna pack this bottle in my bag, put my shoes on, and then we'll be on our way. Okay, let's go, y'all. Let's go. Oh, and you guys, I'm wearing my Temu shoes. So if you haven't watched that vlog, make sure once you're done watching this vlog, you head over to the Temu vlog. Alright, y'all, we are in the car. And we are, where are we going anyways? Princess, what are you doing?
A phone.
Stop touching.
What is that?
A phone.
Phone? Princess is in the back there.
Look.
You guys could see her. Prince is here. Getting all swagged out. And then we have a driver. Don't stop at all. Yes, guys, he's in the vlog today because, you know, he likes to hide from me, you know. Well, he likes to hide from all of us. Yeah, so want to explain yourself?
Nope.
Yeah, he's a rude one, so he's not really, you know, very social. Actually, yeah, you are very social. He's very social, but
Just
I guess,
picking up the pieces.
but not on camera. I don't know why. Yeah, we're on our way. And where are we going first?
I don't know.
I have to stop at Walmart to see if they have this particular sweater in a bigger size. And then we'll see. We'll see. It's just a beautiful day. Why not be out and about, take advantage of it, because you guys know Canadian weather, it's very bipolar. One day it's sunny, next day it's like 30 centimeters of snow. So stay tuned. See y'all in a few. Inside. Huh?
How you want it?
I knew that was coming. Well, you have to wait. What you want to eat? Huh?
I don't know.
You don't know what you want to eat? I'm pretty sure you have an idea.
Huh?
I'm pretty sure you have an idea what you want to eat. Think hard.
You don't think, you don't think, you know
What's the others?
you know.
Oh, you want the Mickey D's, huh? You want the Mick to the D's. Well, you gotta wait because mommy has to make a stop first. And that stop might be a little bit long. On to this one now.
She's sleeping.
Ah, you're
Oh my
mad.
gosh, wake up stupid, right?
Ah, let me be so.
Oh lordy, why you have to behave so? Who's your parent? Who are your parents, young lady?
That's your child.
What you say, Rasta man? Ras. I don't know why he behaves so. Why does he behave like that, man? Y'all see the hickey on his neck? Come home last night with a hickey on him neck. Look at the hickey. Is mosquito bite you? Huh?
I hate this thing for me neck, bro.
You must hate it. Is that evidence?
I'm hard on one.
Oh, I want to know who give you icky on your neck, and if they want to split your birthday present in half, cheaper for me.
One.
So whoever it is, come show your face. Let me split all these bills in half. Right?
You know, just chopping this, eh?
Lot of mercy. Anyways, guys, we are on our way. We are going car shopping. I deserve it. Do you think I deserve it?
You deserve everything will come into you.
Thank you. Amen. Thank you, Jesus. I've been a good girl. I've been content with my jalopy. So I deserve it. It's a big sweater for me and it's like 20-something degrees. Lord of mercy. How do you feel in that sweater? Don't you feel hot?
I feel nice.
I feel hot.
I'm not feeling hot.
I feel hot because I don't know what's going on with this AC.
I feel hot.
See? Prince feels hot too. What about you, Princess? Do you feel hot?
Bruh.
Princess have her dad attitude.
Aye. That's your mother ways.
Same thing. Attitude and ways is
No,
the same thing.
you ways.
Princess looks like her poopa. Bad. But I'm a ways for real. Can't lie about that one there. And he has no manners either, so imagine that. Two times no manners. Okay, guys, we're pulling up to the place. Which place are we pulling up to?
We have food over here.
That's so you told me there's a Ford. I think over there, no? Dodge. Right? Just turn, make a left here. This is not Ford though, this is Dodge.
Okay.
They have Jeep though, so we'll check out the Jeep and then we'll go to Ford after. Because mama needs a big boy. You understand?
They have food over here.
Big boys only. They have a Nissan. Oh yeah, we're pulling up. We're pulling up. I think there's a parking right here.
Right there.
Yeah. So we're gonna see what the Jeep is saying, you know? Yeah, no? Alright, see you in a few. Fix your face. Why your face so sore? Your hat's falling off your head too. And here's Princess. Let me see if she mash it up.
Let's break.
first.
You okay? Are you okay?
Yeah. At first.
Your foot? Where? Show mommy. It's okay?
I was just trying something, but you
Pick it up, pick it up. Alrighty, let's do the damn thing.
Let's do it.
So he's showing some options?
Yeah, I think he's showing me options, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So we're looking for a brand new, or we can go for a pre-owned as well.
We could go what?
We can go for a pre-owned as well.
Pre-owned?
Yes.
We'll see.
Because I got a very nice car, Sahara, pre-owned just yesterday.
What color is it?
It's a stingray color with a sky one touch top.
Stingray? So it's gray?
Gray, just like Audi gray. We bought it from Audi.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
I kind of want black or white.
Black or white.
But I'll see how it looks. And
Sure. Even that's not a big issue for us.
okay,
We can definitely arrange one for you.
okay.
So what are the features we're looking? That's the main concern.
Honestly, I'm not really that picky. I just like the Jeep look. I like the style, I like the shape.
Alright.
Yeah, I always wanted a Jeep, so.
So
Yeah.
I have that Sahara right over here.
Okay.
We'll go, I'll show you the car.
What year is it?
It's a 2020
2020? That's pre-owned?
pre-owned.
Oh, okay. So how much mileage does it have on it right now?
About 27,000
Oh,
something.
that's not bad.
That's still pretty good.
That's pretty good. Okay.
Yes.
So what is like the starting price for that?
I have to check for that.
Okay.
I know we just
All that matters. Get copyrighted with all this music playing. Move your hand. So you guys don't have any new?
I don't have it in my lot. We just sold this last piece of Sahara.
Okay.
But we have two different stores as well. We can get you one from that.
Yeah, this is pre-owned one. Has 27,000 kilometers on it.
So this one
I know.
is 54,998.
The one that you're telling me about?
Yes. 2020. It has one accident claim on it.
It has one what?
Accident claim on it.
Oh, accident claim.
It was a small bumper, so it's for like 1871.
Oh.
Not a big claim.
I'll see how it looks. But I don't like that. The accident part. What do you think about that? Yeah.
I have a Snazberry firecracker red as well.
A what?
Firecracker red color, Snazberry
Oh,
color.
yeah, I don't like red.
No problem. Alright, I'm just gonna show you this vehicle.
Okay, that's outside,
Let me know
right?
how you like it.
Okay.
And if you like the brand new, we'll get you a brand new. Let me just pull up the
But what's
key.
the price difference? Brand new is what?
Brand new all depends on like what are the packages inside.
Oh,
So this
okay.
one has a like Sky One touch top and an LED in it.
So this one has some upgrades in it, or it's just standard?
It has upgrades from the factory.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let's go see it.
Let me just bring up the key.
Okay. I don't like pre-owned. I don't like pre-owned. I want new. I prefer brand new. It also depends on payment. It should be cheaper, right? And the accident. Yeah, I don't know about that, guys. This Princess wants her bottle. That was just a new car. Oh, Stingray. Okay.
Yes. This one has a LED lights.
When you mean LED lights, it's inside or?
So these are the white ones.
Oh, the white. Oh, the lights is LED. Huh? Oh, for your car? Okay.
Has cloth seats.
Oh, cloth seats.
Yes.
Ooh, with kids is.
For me?
That grey one.
The silver one?
Yeah.
I have to check. That's 2020 as well.
Oh.
Hey, why are you recording?
But you're gonna cut off.
I know. So the first place I went to,
Barbie.
they only had one Jeep available, as I think you guys heard in the previous clip, that it was pre-owned and it had an accident. So that's a red flag. That's a hell no. To the no. So we're gonna go to another place and try my luck there. So I'm also looking for Bronco, and that's a Ford made. So we're gonna go to a Ford dealership and also another dealership that we know about, and we'll see how that goes. Quick stop, getting the Happy Meals. Princess, here you go. Thank you. The same thing. Here, Prince. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. When I stop in the driveway, in the parking lot, we can switch. Alright guys, so we just we made a stop. We got the kids their McDonald's. So they got their McDonald's, and then hubby saw a hookah shop that he insists on stopping at. I feel like I'm not gonna be able to make it to the next location because all these stops, it's like time is going. Time is like running. So right now it is 3:44. I decided to put my telly in the seat. And we're gonna kick hubby out when he gets back to the car. We'll see his reaction. Hopefully I can. Oh, and here's another lady with telly. The telly there. But anyways, waiting for him to come back to the car to see his reaction. One momento, por favor. Shit, I didn't even.
What the boy is your man now?
Huh?
Tell the boy. Yeah, nice. Tell the boy become your man now. Tell the boy the double in car seat.
Wouldn't you rather tell Ford be right mad? Okay, guys, so we made it to our third location, because the second one didn't have any vehicles. Oh yeah, turn off this car. So we're currently at Ford. We're gonna take a look at the Bronco models, similar to Jeep make.
I actually like the Bronco.
You actually like the Bronco one? It kind of looks like Jeep.
Huh?
It kind of looks like a Jeep. Your glasses? It's in my bag. Come out. So yeah, that's, if you guys could look a little bit further, that's a Bronco, similar style, similar shape. So let's see.
2022.
This is beautiful, guys.
You see more, and this more look more
Big. This is a big boy.
like
This is a big boy.
than the
Yeah, this is beautiful.
Yes.
I didn't even see the inside as yet. Come, Prince, you guys, I'm a little bit upset because we got to this location and they are closed. I told you guys this was going to happen because everyone wants to make stops on my day.
Yeah, you want to stop for McDonald's?
No, the kids wanted the McDonald's because they were hungry. I'm a mother. I'm not going to leave them starving. And then this one had to stop at the hookah shop for almost half an hour. Then we get to this location and now it's closed. I'm upset. Almost half an hour. Come, Prince, come in the car. I am being truthful. It's almost half an hour.
Almost, just half. No, it's almost.
She's on the other side.
Come out.
Go in, Prince.
Come out.
But I'm thinking I'm more heading towards the Bronco model. The Bronco looks beautiful, like a big boy, you know? I want to ride the big boy. I don't want to ride no small boys.
God have mercy upon us.
That sounds so bad.
Sound like you.
It sounds like me? Right. Here, help me with the stroller. Yes. Hi, good, how are you?
Good. It was the one.
So you guys, a sales rep was able to come out and speak with me. And the Broncos are more than the Jeep. The Broncos are more than the Jeep. That's how you know it's a good brand. By Ford. Damn. Damn, that's a lot of money. I didn't mention how much it was, but it's a lot of money. It's like a next house. What do you think, sir? Do you think you still want to get it for me? Rastaman! Hello, don't be take off your shades. Rastaman! You still get it for me? See? You see, you guys? That's why I don't put them on any vlogs. For someone to take you out. Okay, guys, so we are at the third stop. And the third stop is a big, it's called Auto Planet. Auto Planet. Been here before. I already see a Jeep that I like. That's more in my price range, you know? So we're gonna go take a look and see what's up. Let me take Princess out. Smaller. Give me your hand. Whoa, what happened there? Yeah, that shoulder needs to go like in the bin. Yeah, you can stay there too.
I see a raptor on it.
You see a what? Yeah. Oh, on the shoulder? Yeah. Ooh. It's busy in here. Good, how are you?
Do you have an appointment today?
Do we need one?
No, I need to find you.
No appointment.
Can I have the first name, please?
It's Sasha. The blue. No, not this. This is not our car. Alright guys, so I came to the conclusion that I will either wait or go online and do more online shopping.
Yeah.
More online shopping to see what they have.
All the way over there.
So stay tuned. Stay tuned.
This is a.
So guys, now we are in the store shopping. This was not a part of the plan, but that's what we're doing. Picked up some towels and a blanket for Queen. And you know this man here doesn't like to say much. Yes. Yes, it's always you. We requested that we stop here. So you guys see, this wasn't my day. This was basically his day. So he tricked me.
Wow.
So he's leaving. Oh, that's a trick. Okay, guys. See you in a few. So our final stop, which was not really on the itinerary for today, but we came here, another shopping spot, and once again, this man made me shop. I didn't come for that. I came for a car. I came out for a car, not to shop. But right now, we're just gonna try to figure out what we're gonna eat. We're gonna head back up to the country. All right, y'all, for dinner tonight, we are having Popeyes. We are having Popeyes chicken, so we're just waiting, yeah? Here's the family. Here's the family. Chris wants to show you guys his moves. Chris is so unruly. What's going on here? Huh? You're walking. Yes, the Rastaman.
Ah, yes, of
So
course.
we're just in Happy Eyes. Try to take some pictures with my phone on my camera.
Can I do this?
No. Oh, when I stop, yeah. Princess, you put your big head in.
When you go in,
She sees the camera.
don't go there. Just come down from there.
It's okay. I'm gonna move the camera anyways. See, hit your head. Wild oats.
You don't need to put your back here because I'm not addicted.
Oh, and you guys, they have strawberry biscuits in Canada too. Who would have thought?
Let's gather. Take it.
Don't go up there.
So we got our chicken that we gave.
Shaw.
And it's fresh. I'll show you guys the strawberry.
Let's go, let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
It's gonna be a long time tomorrow.
I'll check you this time.
Yeah, you tricked me last time. You're such a liar. Oh, I'm gonna send you the money. You guys don't ever believe that lie. Come, princess. Hold the door for your family. Sir. You.
Are you holding the door?
Oh, I thought you were.
Just this, no.
Watchy, watchy, watchy.
Watchy.
Chivalry is dead.
Watch.
Princess, you're not on this side. Watch your fingers, Prince. Go with Daddy. Go on the other side with Daddy. She's coming around.
It's gonna be a long time to go home.
No, not that long. We're in Orangeville, so.
Prince, tell him what we tell me just now.
What'd you tell Daddy? Prince, what'd you tell Daddy?
Oh, I forgot.
He said he forgot.
But the driving.
Daddy's the best driver.
He said that to you?
Yes.
Guess what he said to me? That I was the best driver when you were in Stitches. So he's playing both of us.
This, no.
Prince told me the exact same thing when you were in the store. He's like, Mommy, you're the best driver. If you guys are wondering if I'm in a nightclub, no, it's just my extra husband with his lights. Like, why do we need this in the car? By the way, you guys from Temu. Big up Temu, big up yourself. But why do we need disco lights in the car?
If not, people gonna run on Temu.
I know, Temu needs to be, I need to be sponsored.
Because I buy a lot of things from there too.
Temu, run me my check, run me my check.
Huh? And when you done that,
You can also.
Yeah.
can I do it?
Yeah, so I'm in a disco. Not disco, I'm in a nightclub. Club Damon. Opening real soon.
Yep. Speak into his existence.
Alright, I'm about to eat this biscuit. I guess who wants my biscuit after I ask
I
him.
don't want biscuit, I just want to try it.
I don't want you to try it. I want to eat my biscuit in peace.
Try your licorice, it's not nice.
Listen, if you want something, aren't you gonna just buy it?
So the same thing you do to me? Everything I buy you, I always want to try something. What I get? Wrong, sorry. Everything I buy, you want to try it. You want to try it.
That's not true. I buy what I want to eat.
Alright. Okay. That long from now.
What is that long from now?
Because I know you.
Everything you buy, you have to buy me one as well.
This is Japanese.
Okay, Prince wants to close out, so go ahead. Thank you. Guys, it's been a few hours since we've been back home. Has it been a few hours? Not even. see, this is what my husband's talking about. My timing is horrible. I always exaggerate the time. It's been like an hour, right? That's Princess food from last night. Yeah. Oh, from this morning. Oh my God. You see, there we go again. Anyways, my baby girl's knocked out. Aww. She's knocked out. Just finished trying on some of my clothes. And yeah, guys, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. I'm tired. I had Advil. No, I had Aleve. I took forever to eat. I had one bite of my Popeye sandwich. No, I'm gonna eat it tonight. All I had was little food this morning for breakfast, and that was it.
Why are you fighting me?
I'm not fighting you. I'm just telling you.
Chicken.
You had one piece of chicken?
One piece of chicken I eat.
Okay. He had one piece of chicken. I loosened up my wake because, woo, my head a bun. Hot, spin, everything you think of. So I'm just here chilling on the floor. I still didn't even go upstairs as yet. Had my kids bring everything downstairs for me. My change of clothes, the Advil. You going upstairs? Keep. Can you bring my glasses and my contact? Oh, but I didn't put the liquid in the contact thing. Oh boy. Now Prince, so he's looking for clothes for me. Anyways, guys, I think this is gonna be the end of this vlog.
Nope.
I think so.
Wait. Y'all know I can't leave y'all hanging like that. Let's fast forward to April 19th.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing. I'm spending this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put it back to the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song. Give me that tempo. Told cool, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine or Vincenzo's. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxed.
Alright guys, so it is, what day is it? May 31st, and I decided to come to get my wheels in all black gloss. I'm here with the broski. Say what up, Dev. Dev is looking at the food. Bruh. And I'm also getting the Ford sign blacked out as well. We're at the garage. We are at Do It Your Way. Is it Do It Your Way?
Yeah.
Do It Your Way. Not DUI.
DYW Auto.
There you go. DYW Auto.
DYW.
It's a tongue twister. But yeah, so just waiting for my baby to dry up and to hit the road.
PG, we getting some traction. I'm at the video, was packing. I'm digging her accent. I got a beauty Simon belt on me, and she tryna get it unfastened. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my flow and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they set. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. I swag they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing. I'm spending this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put it back to the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song. Give me that tempo. Told cool, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine or Vincenzo's.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another one of my crazy vlogs. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the love. Make sure you please leave a comment, even if it's just like a little heart. Comment, man. Comment. And subscribe, man. Just subscribe. Subscribe. Easy, simple. Takes 1 second. You know what? Thank you guys. Even if you don't subscribe, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. I appreciate that. I'll take that. Man, I'll beg nobody for subscribe to my channel. Well, I really am, but listen, I'm tired. It's a tiredness of talking. So you guys stay prayed up. Love y'all. Peace.